All right, as we get into solution sets to equations and inequalities, we have to start thinking about, like we talked yesterday, true and false statements. Except for now, we're talking about number sentences, number statements. So this is a statement that isn't true nor false right now, but it depends on what x is. So we could throw out some random numbers and we could figure out. I'm just going to spitball here and let's go x equals 1. Let me get a color here. X equals 1. If x is 1, we have 1 squared. We have 3 times 1 plus 4, so we have 1 equals 7, which is a false statement. So the number 1 makes this a false statement. Just like yesterday when we talked about the subject of the sentence can make it true or false, the value of x can make a statement true or false. Let's just throw out another number. We're going to throw out the number 2. So we have 2 squared equals 3 times 2 plus 4. And we have 4 equals, that would be 6 plus 4, 10, which, again, another false statement. And we could keep going and going and going, and hopefully we find a solution. Hopefully we don't. The deeper our understanding of algebra, the better off, the faster this process would go. We could solve this equation very quickly. So let's try just one more. Hopefully this works. 3 times 3 plus 4. We would get the value 9 equals, that would be 3 times 3, 9 plus 4. It's already, so 13. So it's not true. So we could do this forever to find a solution. And if you tried a bunch of numbers, and that's actually what this table is, again, the statement is either true or false depending on the subject or the value of x. So here's a table of values where we tried 0, 5, and a series of things. And depending on what we entered, it was mostly false, but we found like a singular value that makes it true. 4, if I went one more, makes it true. So is that the only one? We don't know, unless we have some other maths and things like that. So that's a big topic of the subject of the equation. The value of x does make the statement true or false, and we're looking to find values that make it true.